Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 GLE 350 4MATIC. This one's a lunar blue metallic. Underneath the hood's a 3.5 V6 pushing out 302 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. For wheels we've got 19-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. Brushed aluminum running boards. A ginger beige MB-Tex interior. Sunroof. Come around back. We've got a trailer hitch. GLE 350 4MATIC badging. Power liftgate. Set of clean floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover. Coming alongside, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, Harman Kardon sound system, brown eucalyptus wood trim, memory seats, power windows, heated steering wheel. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, pedal shifters for extra performance, navigation, a rear view backup camera, hard keys for a media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, cup holders, dynamic select for different driving patterns, wheel and touchpad for our infotainment center. This GLE has 39,060 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLE 350 4MATIC, check out feldmannimports.com.